Hi everyone and welcome to a new haul video here on my channel. I have been buying some lovely little things that I want to share with you, and I'm going to keep this quite short and sweet because I'm on my way to meet some friends, and I have actually made and baked a really yummy chocolate brownie cake, which is it's actually turning out probably to be my best brownie cake I've ever made. So I'm a little bit short on time, but I want to record this video because I want to share with you what I've bought recently, which are some really yummy scrapbooking, card making things. So I'm going to start off with a new paper collection which I have been eyeing for a while. It's from Stamperia and it's called Winter Tales. If you love fantasy and you love Christmas and fairy tales, this is like the perfect paper collection to have. I am a big, massive fan of Stamperia. I think they create the most gorgeous paper collections. It is one of my favorite paper companies at the moment. They even beat Minte papers, which is difficult because Minte papers have some absolutely beautiful papers as well. But Stamperia is a little bit more fantasy for me, which I love. So the Winter Tales is just absolutely stunning. I mean, just look at the papers that you get in this collection. You've got fairies, you got reindeers, you got princesses, I mean just beautiful white horses, castles, you got this beautiful flower. It's just absolutely stunning. I actually need to show you the die cuts because, I mean, just look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Just the colours as well, it's just stunning. Absolutely love it. And that reindeer, it's very Narnia, which I love. And I love this image as well. It's gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. And these cutouts are just lovely. Just absolutely gorgeous. And you've got the circles here. I mean, just wow, wow, wow. And then you've got the die cut, which is just so fantasy. Just look at that castle. And that princess on her horse, the dress, the reindeer, oh, just fabulous. Just fabulous. From Stamperia, I also got some die cuts. And I did not know, actually, that these were chipboard. So when I ordered them, I was like, oh, it's going to be just like paper die cuts. But they are a chipboard, which I love because if you have followed me for a while on my channel and on my Instagram, you know that I love doing dimensional cards, and this is going to be perfect for that. So this is from Stamperia's classic Christmas collection. It's just really lovely chipboard die cuts in their, well, it's the same die cuts that you get in their classical Christmas paper stack, but just very lovely. And then I got the princess die cuts, and these are very Marie Antoinette, princessy, quite French. I think that will be perfect for some cards. And then actually in this order that I made from Stamperia, the third collection that I wanted to get, which is like purple and pink colors, they didn't have that in stock, so I'm going to get that in September, sometime in September, which I'm a little bit like, ugh, come on, I really wanted it all together, but hey ho, I can't stop other people from buying these beautiful collections, so obviously they're going to get out of stock. But then I also got some other things that I want to share with you. With kind of the theme of fantasy and magic and fairy tales, I thought that these butterflies were perfect. And I think they would go really well together with the paper stack from Stamperia that I bought, or something else, but I just love how purple and how goldy and pink they are. Just very, very pretty. I also got some white craft pegs. These are always great on any card. They just make it more dimensional, which I love. Then I'm actually going to wait with the dies. So just going to take these papers really quickly. I bought some ombre glitter card. These are so it's gold and pink, just really, really nice. I'm not a very pinky girl, but when it comes to crafting, I love pink. And then I bought some gold cardstock as well, which is like mirrored gold cardstock, which I think will be gorgeous to cut out with my new cutting dies that I bought. So from The Works. The Works is like a shop here in the UK where they have like cheaper craft supplies, and they have started to sell cutting dies, which I think is fabulous, because cutting dies here in the UK can be quite pricey. And if you get, for example, like this, you get tag dies for £3. That is just, it's so good. That's a really good deal. So it cuts out different dies. So you just literally cut these little metal pegs there off, and you get 4 different tags. Then I also got a 27-piece set of the alphabet cutting dies, £6. I can't believe it was £6, so cheap. And I just absolutely love the embossing of these. I think they just turn out very, very quirky when you cut them out. Just lovely, fabulous. And then I got this doily die. I love doilies. I've got a thing for doilies. I've got a lot of doily dies, but I can't get enough. I think they always make a card just look extra fabulous when you got a doily on it. And then, so that's how it cut out. And that was £6 as well. And then I got these banner dies, which I think is also perfect, especially with stamps. And that was £3, so really, really cheap as well, and good. And then last from The Works, I got some craft heart decorations. And then for a while I've actually wanted to get some magnetic die storage cases from Art Bin, and now I've actually got some. So I bought 3 of these bins, and they are great. They work great for me because I don't have much space really when it comes to crafting and craft storage. I don't have a whole room. I've got like an area, and that's a video that will be up on my channel soon, hopefully, of my craft room. But I need to be smart when I store my stuff, and the art bins are perfect for me storing my metal dies. So this is an empty case. I haven't filled this up yet because I've literally got quite a bit of space left in these. They get quite heavy though. That's probably one of the negatives, but I'm quite strong, so I can carry it up and down the place where I store it. But I literally keep all of my dice like this, and I'm going to show you some new dice that I bought as well. And these are some doily dice, because I love doily dice. These are from Crafter's Companion. They are great, and they stick so well to this sheet, this magnetic sheet. Just great. I mean, just perfect. I love this storage. Very pretty as well, these dies. I got this lace border die as well from Crafter's Companion. Just really nice and quite feminine with that lace. And then I got from Spellbinders 2 of the window dies, which I think will be perfect. I've seen so many cards, window cards on Pinterest. When I saw them, I was like, I need to get these dies because I want to create some window die cards. It's just really, really nice. And then I got some more Spellbinders dies together with the window dies. These are quite basic shapes, but great for card making. And then I got this set as well from Spellbinders, or two different sets, but they are also great for card making. But I keep all of my metal dies. This is just a little, some of the dies that I've got. in this in these art bins, and I think they work great for me. So yeah, that is some of the dies I've got. The only negative, I guess, with it is that when you want to find them, you need to literally lift all of the sheets up. But yeah, that's just me being picky, I guess. But yeah, I've got another one here as well, which is filled with dies. These are from some cleaner Palmer, some tattered lace dies. Yeah, I've got quite a bit actually now, which is nice. I used to not have many metal dies because I was like, oh, I'm a Cricut girl, but then I realised that you can't really cut very intricate shapes with Cricut, which is not that good. So now I don't really use my Cricut that much. I just use my metal dies, which I love. So that was my haul, really. That was all of the things that I bought. Yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!